If you think you need sewing for cute Easter crafts, you really don't. I made this bunny with just felt and glue, and I'll show you step by step.
Fold it clean, line it right, turn old paper into something nice. Soft colors, calm design.
Start by placing the pattern on your felt and trace around it.
Little DIY, take your time. Pocket stack, neat and smart. Handmade style, a creative start. Minimal feels, cozy tone. Making something that feels your own. Simple crafts, modern way. Everyday DIY, just play.
Now fold the felt so you can cut 2 pieces at the same time and cut it out. Nice and clean. You'll end up with 2 identical bunny shapes.
Calm and free, pocketed creativity. Fold it clean, line it right, turn old paper into something nice. Soft colors, calm design, little DIY, take your time.
Next, carefully add hot glue along the outer edges. Just a thin line. Leave the bottom open so it works like a little pocket.
Pocket stack, neat and smart. Handmade style, a creative start. Minimal feels, cozy tone.
Then gently press both pieces together.
Fold the paper, hold it close. Little secrets no one knows. Every line and every part comes together from the heart. Scissors cut, but love stays strong. Tiny moments don't take long. Made with love, just for you. Simple things can feel brand new. Open it and you will see a little piece of me. Handmade dreams in pink and white, wrapped in warmth and
Now for the fun part, add the eyes.
cut it out, line it up, turning small ideas into love. Colors pop, feeling bright. DIY hits different tonight. Hands on paper, heart in it. Simple things, but I don't quit. Modern craft, soft and smart. Every project feels like art. Made it myself, step by step. Little mess, no regret.
cut a tiny heart from pink felt and glue it on as the nose.
Create it cute, yeah, let it stay. Create it cute, yeah, let it stay. Cut it out, line it up, turning small ideas into love. Colors pop, feeling bright. DIY hits different tonight. Hands on paper, heart in it. Simple things, but I don't quit. Modern craft, soft and smart. Every project feels like art. Made it myself, step by step. Little mess, no regrets. Every day, DIY my way. Create it cute, yeah, let it stay. Create it cute, yeah, let it stay.
Draw the whiskers with a black pen, and that's it.
Create it cute, yeah, let it stay. Create it cute, yeah, let it stay.
Your no-sew bunny is ready. You can pop an egg inside.
Create it cute, yeah, let it stay. Create it cute, yeah, let it stay.
If you want the pattern for free, just comment below.
Cut it out, line it up, turning small ideas into love. Colors pop, feeling bright. DIY hits different tonight. Hands on paper, heart in it. Simple things, but I don't quit. Modern craft, soft and smart. Every project feels like art. Made it myself, step by step. Little mess, no regrets. Every day, DIY my way. Create it cute, yeah, let it stay.
Which color would you make? Try this and tag me. I want to see yours.